आमकां आतां न्यूज आयला की सांखळी म्युनिसिपालिटीन 9 तारखेर परमिशन दिल्ले ते ओपिनियन पोल डे सेलिब्रेट करपाक आयज कॅन्सल केलें म्हणून आनी कॅन्सलेशन कित्याक आयलां की मार्केट वेंडर्सान रिप्रेझेंटेशन केलां आयजूय केलां रिप्रेझेंटेशन सांगपा तेजे बिजनस एफेक्ट जातले आनी ते बंद करपाचें मिटींग कॅन्सल करपाची चीफ ऑफिसरान 9 तारखेर परमिशन दिल्लें तेन्ना तें चिंतून दिलो ना तेन फायलाचें प्रपोजल आसून तें तकली उजार केलें ना तेणें आयज कितपन सडनली चेंज जालें लोकांनी कॉल दिले लोकांनी आमंत्रण दिलां 16 तारखेर म्हादय पासत यात म्हणून सगळे आनी म्हादय पासत आमी मिटींग घेया म्हादय पासत आमी एजिटेशन करुया म्हणून It is very clear that the government has got scared and I am very confident that the government has pressurized the chief officer to cancel this permission for the meeting. आमी फकत 7 जाणां opposition आसात तुमी 33 of you in the ruling. Why are you getting scared? पयले आमचे असेंब्ली सेशन जुलय म्हयन्यान कट केले आतां जानेरा म्हयन्या नेक्स्ट वीक आमचे 4 दिसाची असेंब्ली 1 दीस गव्हर्नर स्पीच आसतलो आनी 3 दीस आमकां दवरला Are you getting scared to face an opposition? Is the government wanting to run away and not face public or even the MLAs? What kind of message is the government giving? हांवें परत सांगलां आनी एक पाटी सांगलो तेन्ना आनी रिपीट करता BJP does not like dissent whether it is in Delhi or whether it is in Goa or any part of India and they want to silence the voice of the opposition. Mhadei's movement slowly वाडटलो Mhadei is the lifeline of Goa. If Mhadei is finished, Goa is finished. It is clear from these acts that BJP is clearly conniving to give Mhadei on the platter a way to Karnataka. It is clear that BJP has got nothing out from the trip in Delhi. Despite heavyweights having gone to Delhi, result is zero. The right to protest has been recognized as a fundamental right under Article 19 of the Constitution. Wherever the governments have tried to stop or silence the protest, courts have come to rescue. We must hear the voice of the opposition. Any government, any institution, any organization can course correct if they hear other views, if they hear dissenting views. But the government in Goa, the BJP government in Goa, does not want people to speak. Lok yetle, lok baisotle, and lok Mhadei pasot roste rastole. I urge everyone to come forward. I ask people who are not in Goa to please inform your family members, relatives and friends that this is the time to save Goa. Save Mhadei, save Goa.